Before buying an induction cooktop, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many of these cooktops look similar, but real buyers are talking about how some just don't heat fast enough. Let's dig deeper into the top options that really deliver.
Product number 1, New Wave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop. First up is the New Wave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop. Priced at $59.99, it caught my attention with its 10.25-inch shatterproof ceramic glass surface and impressive heating capabilities. If you need a reliable cooktop for fast cooking, this is worth a serious look. This cooktop offers 81 pre-programmed temperatures, ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It means you can keep delicate sauces warm without burning them or crank up the heat for grilling steaks. Plus, it has 3 wattage options, 600, 900, and 1400 watts, making it perfect for tight spaces like dorms or RVs. A lot of people love the portability and ease of use, which has led to over 1,000 units selling just last month. Now, some people complained about the lack of a built-in timer. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a straightforward, no-frills cooktop that heats quickly, this isn't a deal breaker. You just need to keep an eye on your cooking. This is perfect for you if you're in need of a compact, easy-to-use cooktop for quick meals. Skip it if you require advanced features like integrated timers or multiple burners. For the price, it delivers great value. Now, if New Wave's limited features bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop. Next on our list is the Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop, retailing for $116.99. This sleek silver cooktop has a powerful 1800 watts and an LCD sensor touch control that really caught my eye. If you want a versatile option with precise controls, this one might just be your best bet. This cooktop features 20 preset power levels and 20 temperature settings, from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. The efficiency here is impressive, with an 83% energy efficiency rating. What does that mean for you? It means faster cooking and lower energy bills compared to traditional stoves. Plus, it has an auto pan detection feature, ensuring safety by shutting off if there's no compatible cookware. However, some users reported that it can be noisy due to the cookware's materials. I'll be real with you, that can be a bit distracting. But if you're focused on cooking efficiently, it's not a deal breaker. This is great for anyone needing a compact, powerful cooktop with a range of settings. However, skip it if you prefer a quieter cooking experience. For the quality and features, it's definitely worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a budget. Product number 3, Amazon Basics 1800 Watt Induction Cooktop. Coming in at $58.78, we have the Amazon Basics 1800 Watt Portable Electric Induction Cooktop. Honestly, I was surprised by how much value you get for the price with this one. If you want an affordable yet effective cooktop, this is worth checking out. With 8 power settings and a temperature control range up to 440 degrees Fahrenheit, it accommodates various cooking methods, from simmering to frying. This versatility is perfect for small spaces or quick meals. It's also equipped with safety features like child locks and overheat protection, so it's great for families. Plus, users have praised its easy maintenance thanks to the tempered glass surface. That said, some users found the wattage a bit limiting for larger cooking tasks. Here's the truth. If you need high power for big meals, this might not be your go-to. However, for everyday cooking, it's still a fantastic choice. This is perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or anyone needing a budget-friendly option. Skip it if you have large cooking needs or cook for many people at once. For the price, it offers incredible value. Now, if you're looking for something more robust, the next product might just fit that bill. Product number 4, New Wave Pro Chef Induction Cooktop, priced at $139.99. This one is NSF certified, which caught my eye right away. If you're looking for commercial-grade performance in a portable design, this is definitely worth a look. With 94 temperature settings from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, this cooktop is all about precision. Whether you're warming sauces or searing meat, you have the exact control you need. Plus, it transfers 85 to 90% of its energy directly to the cookware, making it much faster than traditional stoves, which only convert about 30% of their heat. That's a huge time and energy saver. However, some users noted that the price is slightly higher for home use. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about cooking or plan to use it frequently, the investment pays off with its performance. This is perfect for serious cooks or anyone wanting professional results at home. Skip it if you're just looking for something basic. For the features and quality, it provides great value. Now, if you want something with a combination of features,
Product number 5, New Wave Gold Precision Induction Cooktop, priced at $83.99. This model features a large 12-inch heat-resistant cooking surface, which is great for bigger pots. If you're looking for a combination of power and safety, this one deserves your attention. Just like the others, it offers adjustable temperatures from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit and has a shatterproof ceramic glass surface. The rapid heating is impressive, granting you efficiency without wasting energy. Plus, it's perfect for melting chocolate or making delicate sauces. No more double boiler hassle. One downside is that it can be slightly heavier compared to some other models. I get that this might be a concern for portability, but if you're mainly using it in one spot, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for home cooks who appreciate versatility and safety. Skip it if you need something ultra light for travel. Given its features, it's a solid value for the price. To wrap it up, we've looked at the New Wave Flex, Dux Top, Amazon Basics, New Wave Pro Chef, and New Wave Gold induction cooktops. Each has its strengths, whether it's budget-friendly options or commercial-grade performance. Depending on your cooking needs, any of these could be the right fit. Happy cooking!